We have also listened. My brother, former CJ, Maraga, and it is clear as can be that the time for change is now. It is clear that William Ruto is going to be one term. It is very clear. But we must recognize that election is also a process. And Ndugu Jim Orengo, we've come a long way. We should not give up. We are nearly there. We are nearly there for the sake of this country to deliver real change and to deliver a nation that is going to stand together. A democratic state, not a monarchy, as Jim has reminded us. And so, my friends, when William Ruto came to Kisii, alisema kwamba atawapatieni vijana and Linda something nyota. Vijana ambao walifanya application, Fred, you may not know, were 4,700. Wale walifanikiwa ni 280. Na mnajua hiyo ni program ya World Bank. Bribery right through. What we must do, fellow Kenyans, is to make sure between now and the next August, not this one, in 2027, we will not allow William Ruto room to manipulate the people of Emor Dikir. Nearly gave DCP the win. And we want to congratulate them. We want to congratulate the people of Emor Dikir, as we know they're in the Rift Valley. The call for one term is countrywide. And therefore, mimi naona tu korera zangu. Usiku ndio huyo, mama lazima apumzike.